Hello, my name is Rhino, and I tend to do everything. I am a gamer and artist, and I like to do emotes. So today, we are going to finish up a rage emote that I think looks pretty cool. So if you want to join me, and maybe we'll learn a thing or two. So stick right with me. All right, as you see here, we have our rage emote. I am using the iPad Procreate. I switched back to this after some discussion with some friends and watching other people. It always depends. It always depends on what I'm using, because it depends on what I'm seeing from other people. And one of my friends, Turtle Forge, is using this, and he's doing really good with it. So we're gonna use our abilities to knock out this rage emote. I have the sketch, as you can see. It looks good, it's nice, and I am going to create a new layer, and the standard ink that I have is from BJ Dell. I'll see if I can find the link and put it in the description for you, but this is what we're going to be using. I have a guide on, so if you want to go to your layer options and turn your drawing assist on, that will make it cut the time right in half. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and change our color first to black. Whoops. I'm not one of those that likes to change the inside line colors, so I like to keep it crisp and black because I think it looks better when it's smaller. So we're gonna go over the fire. The fire's around it. It's okay if you don't go exactly to your sketch lines, because inking always seems to fit better, and you know where everything's gonna be going on line. Whoops! Come on. We're gonna do his head and his ears. There we go. Make sure he gets his beard going. All right. The mouth, I always have a problem with the mouth because I always seem to make it more rounded than in pointed with the teeth. See if that works. Yeah, that works. That looks good. That looks good. Go me. Yay. We're gonna do the body, and then the hands. And this is where the hair gets a little bit, he has kind of curly hair. He has kind of like, they're like in braids kind of. So we're gonna go around these. And it kind of looks like he's powering up, kind of like a Super Saiyan. There we go. Ooh, boy. And the eyes. I like to make the eyes thick because they tend to pop out. What you're actually going to be seeing is probably the eyes and the hair the most, maybe the mouth. So I like to make them thick so you can see them. My next bout is what I like to do. I like to go around the body and thicken up the outside line. So this is where I create a new layer, go back to my brush, and just kind of sketch. Oop, I had to turn on the drawing assist, and we're gonna go around the outside And we're almost there. Just to see how much it pops out, just like that. That looks so good. That looks so good. I am so proud of myself. Go me, go me, go me. Hello, hello, go me. All right. Now that that's done, you're gonna go to your line art layer, set it to reference. Go to the background. I mean, above your outer outline layer, you're going to create a new layer and you're just going to start filling in the colors. So he has black hair. Obviously white teeth. Gotta get the white teeth. That's not white. That's not white. This is white. Maybe a little lighter than that. Maybe even a little lighter than that. I struggle with skin tone sometimes, so it can be a struggle. Purple, 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 purple. And his stream color is purple, so he wanted a purple shirt. We're going to use a bright red for the eyes because he's angry. And red for the outline. Actually, we're going to do that on a new layer. Red for the outline. And on top of this new layer, actually we're going to bring it down. On top of this new layer, you're going to create a clipping mask. And we're going to take our airbrushing and change it to like a darker red. And down here, we're going to change it to a darker red. And then up at the top, it's going to be an orange. That's not orange. Orange. So now it has kind of like a gradient. If you look at it small, looks perfect. We're going to hide the background layer. And above our color layer, we're going to set a clipping mask. And this is where I kind of like... The reason I set a clipping mask and just do this, like I choose a red. Go back to the VJ. I choose a red and keep it there is because when I'm using multiple emotes, I need that red for other emotes. So I just keep it on there for now. Create a new layer. It's going to automatically keep the clipping mask, set it to multiply 54%, set it to drawing assist, and now we can start shading. Alright, now that we got the base shading done, we're going to go ahead with the highlights. New layer, new clipping mask layer. Overlay. And we're going to go white. And we're going to do the drawing assist. God, I keep on forgetting that. And just for fun, we're going to go to the airbrushing and create a new layer. Get the skin tone and brighten it up a lot. And we're going to brighten up just right in the middle of his face. Oh, man. Hide that. So I don't know how you guys share your Procreate, but I just go to File, Share, PNG, and I just email it to myself. I email it to my spam email. And just like that, we got a rage emote. Wow. Look how cool we are. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will show you what it looks like on desktop real quick. What it looks like on desktop. Might be a little smaller for you because you're viewing it. If you're viewing it full screen, better. But this is what it looks like when you're viewing it on Twitch. I just want to say thank you all so much for the support recently. It's been really fun. I do gaming. I am an artist. I do pretty much everything on Twitch. So if you want to catch me live, it'll be right here. Drop a follow, come and chat with us, and we'll have some fun. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later.